Hi students, we are going to see another type of problems in solids. Solid 7, axis parallel to HP and inclined to VP. The question here is a pentagonal prism lying on the ground, on a rectangular face with axis making 50 degrees to VP. Axis making 50 degrees to VP. This is the position. You have to draw plan and elevation. When the axis is 50 degrees to VP, how is the axis with respect to HP in this position? Parallel to HP. Why? Because the prism is lying on HP on a rectangular face and therefore the axis is parallel to HP. Now, what is the plan in this position? When you look from the top, you see a rectangle with a central line representing this longer edge. What is the elevation? When you look from there, you see this pentagonal face. You see the body connecting these two pentagons. You see some lines on the front pentagon. You cannot draw. You cannot draw the shape. So, this position you know, but you cannot draw. ഇത് ഇങ്ങനെയാണ് കിടക്കുന്നത് നിങ്ങൾക്ക് അറിയാം, പക്ഷെ വരയ്ക്കാൻ പറ്റില്ല. കാരണം ഷേപ്പ് അറിയില്ല. എന്ത് വരയ്ക്കാൻ പറ്റില്ല? എലിവേഷൻ വരയ്ക്കാൻ പറ്റില്ല. പ്ലാൻ ഒരു റെക്ടാങ്കിൾ ആണ്, പ്ലാന്റെ വീതി അറിയാൻ പാടില്ല, ലെങ്ത് അറിയാം. Okay, so what you do is keep this simple position. Keep this simple position. How is the prism? The prism is lying on HP on a rectangular face with axis perpendicular to VP. What is the front view? Elevation എന്താണ്? A pentagon. What is the plan? Plan is a rectangle which you can project from the elevation. Front view ഒരു pentagon ആണ്, ആ pentagonൽ നിന്ന് plan project ചെയ്യാം. You can draw the plan. Now, this plan and this plan are geometrically the same. This plan is a rectangle, whereas this plan is the same rectangle at a different orientation. So what do? You redraw the plan and project a new elevation. So in this category, where the axis is parallel to HP and inclined to VP, we draw the simple position elevation, project the plan, redraw the plan and project the elevation. Agreed? So, this is the simple position elevation. You keep an edge on XY line. Why? Because it is lying on a rectangular face on HP. This line represents a rectangular face. A dash, B dash, C dash, D dash, E dash, F dash, G dash, H dash, I dash, J dash, O dash, P dash. And when you project the plan, draw vertical projectors down. Anywhere, choose this line, the front face, then take the axis line and mark the plan. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J. 25. 70. 25 mm side, 70 mm length. This distance can be any distance. What does it represent? It represents the distance of the front pentagonal face from VP. Can be any distance. The question doesn't say. Can be any distance. Now what you have to draw? You have to redraw the plan. How do we redraw? In such a way that the axis makes 50 degrees to XY line, VP. When the axis makes 50 degrees to XY line, since the axis is parallel to HP, it is phi of the axis. It is making 50 degrees to VP. So what you do is, draw a 50 degree line. Draw a 50 degree line to XY line. This angle is 50 degrees. Choose this face. Take the axis length. Complete the plan. It's the same plan. Take these points, mark these points. Why these dotted lines? These dotted lines because the edge EJ and ID or DI, EJ and ID are at the bottom. You cannot see. That is, when you look from the top, you cannot see them. That is why they are dotted. ഈ കാണുന്ന രണ്ട് എഡ്ജുകൾ മുകളിൽ നോക്കിയ പ്ലാനിൽ കാണൂല, അത് കാരണമാണ് ഡോട്ടഡ് ആയിട്ട് വരച്ചിരിക്കുന്നത്. axis from line coincide. Okay. So you are redrawing the plan and name them. How do you name them? A1, B1, C1, D1, E1, O1, P1, F1, G1, H1, I1, J1. What is this? This is the final plan. This is the final plan. This has to be done. This is the final plan. What do you want? You need a new elevation. You need a new elevation to suit this final plan. What do you draw? Draw vertical projectors up, draw horizontal projectors. They meet at the respective points to get the final elevation. Draw vertical projectors up, very light lines. Very light lines. Draw horizontal projectors. Horizontal projectors are less because many things coincide. A1 dash, B1 dash, C1 dash, D1 dash, E1 dash, O1 dash, F1 dash, G1 dash, H1 dash, I1 dash, J1 dash, P1 dash. You have got all the 5 plus 5 plus 2, 12 points. This is the direction. Which pentagonal face will be visible? The face which is nearer to you. Which is nearer to you? Far away from XY. Those are far away. Those which are far away from XY will be nearer to you so that it will be visible. Elevation വരയ്ക്കാൻ നേരത്തെ ഏത് കാണും ഇല്ലാന്ന് തീരുമാനിക്കണം. കാണുന്നത് ഫേം ആയിരിക്കും, കാണാൻ പാടില്ലാത്തത് ഡോട്ടഡ് ആയിരിക്കും. ഏത് കാണും? നിങ്ങളുടെ അടുത്തുള്ളത് കാണും. എലിവേഷൻ വരയ്ക്കാൻ നേരത്തെ നിങ്ങളുടെ അടുത്തുള്ളത് കാണും. നിങ്ങളുടെ അടുത്തുള്ളത് ഏതാണ്? പ്ലാനിന്റെ XY എന്ന് ഏറ്റവും ദൂരെയുള്ളതായിരിക്കും ഒബ്സർവറിന്റെ അടുത്തുള്ളത്. അപ്പോൾ അത് എലിവേഷനിൽ കാണും. ഏതാണ്? ABCDE ആണോ? FGHIJ ആണോ? FGHIJ is far away from XY, which means that it is nearer to the observer, so that will be visible. F dash, G dash, H dash, I dash, J dash, F dash. ഏത് കാണില്ല? ഈ രണ്ട് എഡ്ജസ് കാണും. AB കാണൂല, BC കാണൂല, BC അല്ല, AB കാണൂല, AE കാണൂല, അടിയിലുള്ള എഡ്ജ് കാണും. ഈ എഡ്ജ് വിസിബിൾ ആയിരിക്കും. ദിസ് വിൽ ബി ഡോട്ടഡ് ആക്സിസ് ചെയ്യുക. FGHIJ കാണും, BC കാണും, CD കാണും, AB കാണൂല, AE കാണൂല. അടിയിൽ HP കിടക്കുന്ന റെക്ടാംഗുലർ ഫേസ് HP കിടക്കുന്ന അടിയിൽ ഒരു സ്ട്രെയിറ്റ് ലൈൻ ആയിട്ട് ആക്സിസ് ചെയിൻ ലൈൻ. This is the redrawing method where the pentagonal prism is lying on HP on a rectangular face with axis parallel to HP. It's not needed to say axis is parallel to HP. Axis bending 50 degrees to VP. When a prism is lying on a rectangular face on HP, axis automatically become parallel to HP. That is not worth mentioning. Okay, this is redrawing method. This is redrawing method. If you draw the same question by auxiliary projection method, auxiliary projection method we have seen is much quicker method, but it needs a little bit of practice. It's not difficult. Many students consider it as difficult, but it is not difficult. Once you understand the concept, it is not difficult. I am going to explain it. Listen. This is the plan. This is the simple position plan and elevation. This is the simple position plan and elevation. When you draw it by auxiliary projection method, you redraw the plan to the required position and project a new elevation. Redrawing method. When you do it by auxiliary projection method, this is what you do. Same simple position plan and elevation. This is the conventional VP onto which we draw a draw the elevation, conventional VP. In auxiliary projection method, you change VP such that the angle between the axis of the solid and the new VP becomes 50 degrees. What do you do? Look at this carefully. You take a new VP. This is the new VP. Where is the new VP? The new VP is chosen in such a way that the angle between the axis of the prism and the new VP is 50 degrees. Now what you have to do? You have to draw a new elevation looking from this side. Looking from this side so that the light rays are perpendicular to this VP. When the VP is here, you look from there to draw the elevation. When the VP is here, you have to look from this side to draw the elevation perpendicular to this VP. This VP is seen as a new XY line. This VP is drawn as a new XY line now. So this new VP becomes a new XY line and perpendicular to this you have to draw the new elevation. The plan is kept same. Plan മാറ്റുന്നില്ല. Auxiliary projection ലെ ഒരു വ്യൂ മാറ്റില്ല. ആ വ്യൂ ആയിരിക്കും മറ്റേ വ്യൂ പ്രൊജക്റ്റ് ചെയ്യുന്നത്. ഇവിടെ പ്ലാൻ മാറ്റില്ല. പുതിയ എലിവേഷൻ വരും. പുതിയ VP എടുത്തിട്ട് പുതിയ എലിവേഷൻ വരും. Okay. Look at this. I draw the simple position plan and elevation. Then I take what? A new XY. What is a new XY? The angle between the axis. Where is the axis? Axis is OP. 50 degrees. X1, Y1. X1, Y1. This can be X1, Y1 can be drawn anywhere. I preferably keep it outside the elevation so that I avoid mixing up. Now, draw projectors. Draw projectors through all points in the plan perpendicular to X1, Y1. They are supposed to be perpendicular to XY. When I am drawing by free hand, there can be small inclinations. Now, what do I do? You are drawing a new elevation. പുതിയ elevation വരയ്ക്കാൻ പോകുന്നത് ഏത് ദൂരം എടുക്കും? പഴയ XY എന്ന പഴയ elevation-നുള്ള ദൂരം എടുത്ത് പുതിയ elevation വരും. I repeat. പഴയ XY എന്ന പഴയ elevation-നുള്ള ദൂരം എടുത്ത് പുതിയ elevation വരയ്ക്കും. അതായത് പ്രൊജക്ടറിലെ മാർക്ക് ചെയ്യുള്ളൂ. പഴയ XY എന്ന പഴയ എലിവേഷനിലേക്കുള്ള ദൂരം എടുത്ത് പുതിയ എലിവേഷൻ വരയ്ക്കും on the respective projector. We take distances of the old elevation from the old XY and mark on the new mark above the new X1, Y1 on the respective projector. That's the concept. Okay. Let us see. A dash is this far away from XY. Not only A dash, F dash, C dash, H dash. 4 points. That means you have to mark on 4 projectors. On the projector through A, you will mark A1 dash. On the projector through F, you will mark F1 dash. Then on the projector through C, you will mark C1. Then mix up F1 dash. This is C1 dash. Then on the projector through H, I mark H1 dash. 4 points. Then B dash and G dash are this far away. On the projector through B, you will mark B1 dash and G1 dash. On the projector through E, J, D and I, 4 points. 0 distance away from XY. So 0 distance here also. A, B, C, this is D1 dash and this is E1 dash. This is I1 dash and this is J1 dash. Then O dash and P dash this far away. Take that. O1 dash, P1 dash. Now, you are looking in this direction. Which pentagonal face is nearer to you? F, G, H, I, J is nearer to you. So you will see that F, G, H, I, J. AF you will see. BG you will see, AB you will see, AE you will see, BC you cannot see, CD you cannot see, OP is the axis. Now when you look from here, plan XY elevation. Plan XY elevation. FGHI is from the corner C is nearer to xy line now, x1, y1. So that is far away from the observer. C dash will not see, C1 dash will not see, and the two lines from C1 dash. VP യുടെ അടുത്തുള്ളത് എലിവേഷനിൽ ഒരിക്കലും കാണൂല. C is nearer to VP. C ആണ് VP യുടെ ഏറ്റവും അടുത്തുള്ളത്. അപ്പോൾ C1 dash എന്നുള്ള ലൈൻസ് ഡോട്ടഡ് ആയിരിക്കും. മൂന്നെണ്ണം ഡോട്ടഡ് ആയിരിക്കും. ഇങ്ങോട്ട്. Now, when you look at this is the plan, this is the xy, this is the elevation. The elevation has come to the side. If you are not happy, rotate your book in such a way that x1, y1 become horizontal, so that the elevation become above xy and the plan become below xy. Agreed? So this is a simple question with a pentagonal prism lying on a rectangular face on HP with axis making some inclination to VP. We have seen the redrawing method and the auxiliary projection method. Okay, thank you.